Hi everybody, welcome back to Bobby's Bucks, and over my shoulder you'll see a desert of a food plot. We experienced a drought nationwide this year, so there's a good chance that you didn't have a very good food plot this year. We're going to talk all about what you can do to make sure you still have food. Stick with us, here we go. So it's a pretty sad scene. If you look out in your food plots, you may have a dirt desert, and you know there's still a way that you can have food out. It's a pretty bad deal this year. About half the crops failed, and so there's a pretty good chance that you're going to need to plant some rye. And I say rye because we're not talking about ryegrass, we're talking about rye wheat. Rye wheat will grow in most soils, and really all it takes is just throwing it out, broadcasting it on some bare soil like this. The moisture levels are starting to rise right now, so there's a good chance that this seed can take. You can run over your food plots with, say, a dethatcher or maybe a disc. You know, that'll help it grow. It's not necessary, but it will help it. We have about a half acre here, so we're gonna go through about 50 pounds. So we'll plant all our food plots September 15th, and we'll also come back October 15th and we'll do it again. We have about a half acre of food plots, like we said, so we go through about 50 pounds. September 15th and October 15th. But I'm gonna wrap it up, you guys. I just wanted to share that. Be sure to get out there, and that's how you save your food plots and make sure that you still have some food. This year it's gonna be pretty bad because our turnips and our radishes just did not have time to establish without the moisture, but we'll still have some rye for all the deer. The rain's starting to come down right now, you guys, so we're gonna wrap this video up. Be sure not to pressure your food plots once you plant everything and cut your shooting lanes. We're killing some time with fishing, so stay tuned. We're gonna take you out to the lake and we'll do some fishing. Hope this helps you guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. But I'm gonna fish on the way back with this little Revel Junior, and we'll see how many fish we catch. But yeah, I mean, they come in all different colors. Purple, black, bubblegum, green, yellow, red. It goes on. You can see it in the water. That little split shot really helps. Oh, I just got my first bite. Second cast. Look at first fish of the day. It's the tiniest thing in the world. Oh my goodness, the baby bass. Oh, I really got you too. There we go. Thank you. It's a marlin. Adorable. One, I'm on the board. That a baby. Got one, kiddo. Okay. Get over here. It's a good one too. There you go. Oh man. Yeah. He went after that little bluegill crank. Pretty little 2-pounder. What's that reel over if you'd rather do a right-handed one. I do that all the time. I can't reel. Oh, get him, that a baby. Got him. Yeah, looks like a good one. Oh, he's a good one. It's okay. Yeah, A little bit better than the last one. Still not, but still a 2-pounder though. Yeah. And that's what he went after. Ooh, look at that tongue.
This is not what Phil was talking about.
Oh, yes, finally. Come on, stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on. Get smooth flow. Smooth flow. Thank you.
Nice!
No, you've had pretty much the same matches after yours almost. Awesome.
So I want to show you guys this little lure. It's a little minnow, it's a 1/4 ounce jig, and then it's got these little blades. Now I can link all this stuff down. You can make this, but watch how good this works. Now, of course, you got to find some fish or know an area where fish hang out, but this minnow, it's got a lot of action. It's kind of muddy in the water today, so hopefully we can get lucky. Got him. Now he hit this thing a couple times. I got a little bass. This little minnow is awesome. Little bass. Okay. All right. Oh, honey, you got a good one. Stick with it. Babe. Oh, hold on. I'll help you out. Rach, good fish. She caught a giant. Okay, let me get it over here a little bit, babe. Jeez. All right. Off the pink girly worm. Is that cool or what? Nice fish. Let's see how big she got. This might be your personal best. It is 15-inch bass. See how much it weighs? 1.6. I got a bite right here, so I'm trying to catch whatever fish nailed it. Got him. Caught that fish that bit my lure, honey.
Is that the same one, mine?
No. Yours is way bigger. Nope. Nope, this one's maybe a pounder. But I'm on the board.
On the board.
Yep, I got it with this little guy.
On the board.
I got it with that little lure, little weedless. I made that lure too.
Called bobber.
Like it's weedless. The bobber. Got one. Found one finally. New one was in there because there was a lot of grass in there. What do we got here? Oh, we got a pike. We got a pike. All right, come on. Come on. We're gonna need our pliers, which are over there. He swallowed it pretty good too. Hold on, buddy. We got you, buddy. Here we go.